Fat release can be an overly frustrating thing to do, with regains and muscle loss being the common challenges of it. Are you tired of trying every diet and workout routine only to see little to no results on the scale? If you've been struggling with stubborn fat, especially around the belly, you're not alone. But there's a natural solution, a secret weapon hiding in plain sight that could help you shed fat more effectively. It's not a trendy pill, and it's not another crash diet. It's something ancient, natural, powerful, and backed by science. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and how to use it. Welcome to Levitas. How does this weapon help with fat loss? When it comes to fat loss, the biggest obstacles are inflammation, slow metabolism, and insulin resistance. This natural ingredient works by targeting all three of these issues simultaneously. Research shows that it possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for weight loss. Chronic inflammation can disrupt your metabolism, making it harder to burn fat. By reducing inflammation, this natural remedy helps reset your body's ability to metabolize fat efficiently. Additionally, it's a metabolic booster. It enhances thermogenesis, the process where your body burns calories to produce heat. This increase in metabolic rate means your body burns more calories even while at rest, giving you an edge in your fat loss journey. But that's not all. This secret ingredient also plays a role in improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and when it's not functioning properly, your body stores more fat, particularly in the belly area. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, it helps your body utilize glucose more efficiently, preventing fat storage and promoting fat burning. How does it target belly fat? Belly fat is notoriously difficult to lose because it's influenced by various factors, including hormones, stress, and inflammation. This natural ingredient specifically targets visceral fat, the deep, dangerous fat stored around your organs in the abdominal area. One of the key ways it does this is by regulating cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels are directly linked to increased belly fat. This natural remedy helps lower cortisol, reducing stress-induced fat accumulation. Furthermore, it activates a protein called AMP-activated protein kinase, also known as AMPK, often referred to as the master switch of metabolism. When AMPK is activated, it signals your body to stop storing fat and start using it as energy. This metabolic shift is particularly effective at reducing visceral fat, which is more metabolically active than subcutaneous fat. It also improves the gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in weight management. An imbalanced gut can lead to inflammation and fat storage, particularly around the midsection. By promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, this natural ingredient helps reduce bloating, improve digestion, and accelerate fat loss specifically in the belly region. Can it help suppress appetite? One of the most challenging aspects of weight loss is controlling hunger and cravings. This natural ingredient can be a game changer in this area as well. It works by influencing hormones that regulate appetite, such as ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, often called the hunger hormone, signals your brain when it's time to eat. This natural remedy helps reduce ghrelin levels, making you feel less hungry between meals. At the same time, it enhances the function of leptin, the hormone responsible for signaling fullness. When leptin sensitivity is improved, your brain receives more accurate signals that you've eaten enough, helping you avoid overeating. Additionally, this natural weapon helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Spikes and crashes in blood sugar are a major cause of cravings, especially for sugary and high-carb foods. By keeping blood sugar stable, it reduces the urge to snack and helps you maintain a calorie deficit, which is essential for fat loss. Lastly, it promotes the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that enhances mood and reduces emotional eating. By curbing both physical and emotional hunger, it makes it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan and achieve your weight loss goals. Are supplements more effective than the spice itself? While supplements may seem like a convenient option, the spice itself is often more effective for fat loss. This is because whole spices contain a range of bioactive compounds that work synergistically, providing a broader spectrum of health benefits. Supplements, on the other hand, typically isolate a single compound, which may reduce their overall effectiveness. Moreover, whole spices are absorbed more efficiently by the body and are less likely to cause side effects compared to high-dose supplements. For best results, incorporating the spice into your daily meals or beverages ensures you receive all its fat-burning benefits in a balanced, natural form. So, what is the secret weapon for healthy fat loss? The secret weapon for healthy, sustainable fat loss is turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice, commonly used in traditional Indian and Asian cuisine, is packed with curcumin, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and fat-burning properties. Turmeric isn't just a culinary ingredient, it's a scientifically proven aid for weight loss. From boosting metabolism and targeting belly fat to suppressing appetite and improving insulin sensitivity, turmeric offers a multifaceted approach to shedding unwanted pounds. And the best part? It's easy to incorporate into your daily routine for long-term sustainable fat loss. What is the best way to consume turmeric for effective fat loss? To maximize turmeric's fat-burning potential, it's essential to consume it correctly. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has low bioavailability, meaning it's not easily absorbed by the body. However, you can enhance its absorption with a few simple strategies. First, combine turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. A pinch of black pepper with your turmeric can make a significant difference. Second, consume turmeric with a healthy fat source. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves in fat, and is better absorbed when paired with foods like extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or avocados. Golden milk is an excellent way to incorporate turmeric into your diet. Simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric with warm plant-based milk, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee. You can also add it to smoothies, soups, or stir-fries for a flavorful and health-boosting twist. Aim for at least 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric daily to see noticeable fat loss benefits. And remember, consistency is key. Make it a regular part of your routine for optimal results. Does it have side effects? While turmeric is very safe, excessive consumption can lead to side effects. Some common issues include gastrointestinal discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially when consumed in large amounts. Turmeric may also thin the blood due to its natural anticoagulant properties, which can increase the risk of bleeding in individuals taking blood-thinning medications. If you're on such medications, consult your healthcare provider before incorporating high doses of turmeric into your diet. Another potential side effect is gallbladder irritation. Turmeric stimulates bile production, which can exacerbate gallbladder issues in individuals with gallstones or bile duct obstructions. To avoid these side effects, stick to moderate doses. 1 to 2 teaspoons per day is safe for most. Always consume turmeric with food to reduce the risk of gastrointestinal discomfort, and if you're new to using it, start with smaller amounts and gradually increase. By following these precautions, you can safely enjoy turmeric's powerful fat-burning and health benefits without unwanted side effects. In conclusion, turmeric is a powerful, multifaceted tool for sustainable fat loss. It addresses key challenges like inflammation, slow metabolism, and insulin resistance, all of which can hinder weight loss. By reducing inflammation, turmeric restores metabolic efficiency and boosts thermogenesis, helping you burn more calories, even at rest. Its impact on insulin sensitivity also prevents fat storage, particularly around the abdomen, making it a formidable ally against stubborn belly fat. Additionally, turmeric supports appetite control by regulating hunger hormones, stabilizing blood sugar, and curbing emotional eating, all of which contribute to maintaining a calorie deficit. While supplements are popular, the whole spice offers superior benefits due to its synergistic compounds and better absorption. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, especially with black pepper and a healthy fat, ensures maximum bioavailability and effectiveness. By using turmeric wisely and as recommended, you can unlock its fat-burning potential and achieve lasting, healthy weight loss. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.